sweet, that's old Michigan. Forest of tall trees bordered by wide waters, bright and sunny, amazing to the eye. Greenfield plains, eagles in the sky, waiting for you on the shoreline. Your sails now coming into view. I've been working along the valley, built a fine house underneath the trees. Birds are singing in the morning, calling to you. Your past is over, your new life is beginning, waiting for you on the shoreline. Your sails now coming into view. Dark clouds rolling, lightning flashing, feel power of the waves crashing. Now we're home here, sitting by the fire, children playing, laughing like a choir, waiting for you on the shoreline. Your sails now coming into view. Dark clouds rolling, lightning flashing, feel power of the waves crashing. Now we're home here, sitting by the fire, children playing, laughing like a choir, waiting for you on the shore.